30th Press System Celebration presents Virtual Master Course Series 2021. Presented by Oliver Briggs from Germany, August Bruguera from Spain, Sabol Khan from Australia, Ravel Centric from USA, Lawrence Tam from Hungary, Michel Temperani from Italy, Mohit Suryavanshi from India, Florin Stoboran from Romania, Didier and Helena Crescenzo from France, and Hilal Kadey from Turkey. Virtual Master Course will be started in July 2021 until November 2021. Learn and upgrade your proficiency from the world-renowned master dental technicians. Be prepared to join us. e.MAX, smile to the max.